good now? Sheesh. Good morning, good morning, good morning, people. I was in this trade, but of course I went right back to my entry. So, there's that. But good morning. Good morning. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. We live, we live, we live. We live, we live, we live. All right. Good morning. Good morning. Good morning. Give me a second. I feel like it might be a good time to get in now.
Order filled.
I'm really just trying to aim for that data low, honestly. I think I'm gonna wait because it's 9:20. I tried to get in on that 850 macro because it broke my initial buy side that I have for Asian. I was waiting for it all night for Asian to hit the to either check out the high or that low from Asian session. Never did until this morning. So and it finally broke, and if I'm the S&T and a fair value gap, and there's two of them here, but it's not looking like it's respecting it. But like that's literally my setup. Oh, I think I see why it did create another high right here though. I'm gonna be a lookout on that. I'm gonna be looking out for that right there. I'm gonna put daily high. It's basically the high of the day so far. But good morning, y'all. Good morning. Good morning. I don't know if it's gonna respect this right now. We'll see. My stop loss would be right here, but wait. I don't think I'm gonna let it get all the way up there, but I'm gonna wait for it to see if it's gonna tap this 50% of this gap. It tapped into it. Oh, this on the 2 minute. That's why it's not looking. This is from the 1 minute right here. So I'm gonna give it until the CE of this fair value gap. Or I might want to invert this gap too, because it never came back up. But I'm gonna give it to the 50% of this gap right here. I don't think I'm gonna hold this too long because it already is taking off. So I'm gonna give it to the 50% of this gap, and then if it don't hold, if it go ahead and stop moving above it, then I'm gonna go ahead and get on out. It look like it's not respecting it anyway. So because it is a daily high up here, it's probably going up there and trying to take out that high first. It's probably what it's about to do right now. So yeah, good morning, guys. Good morning, good morning. it was a perfect setup at the 850 macro, and it just, I mean, yeah, it came down here. I was in profit, and then I had set up the break even. So that's basically what happened. But you know, it's jetting off of this gap here, so let's see. I'm really taking it to the data low, which is the not NFP candle, but the PPI candle right here. I guess allergic to dropping right now. But I mean, it did hit the 50% when I had measured it. It hit the 50% of this news candle, so that's probably all I needed to do. But yeah, like I said, I'm gonna give it to the 50% of here. If it don't reject off of that, I'm just gonna go ahead and get on out. Cause it should have just dropped after that, but it didn't. So I see the reason why it would want to keep buying, because it's daily high up here. So I'm okay with it going back up here and losing this, or just getting out. If it go ahead and keep pushing through this 50% of that 1 minute fair value gap, then I'm gonna go ahead and hop out, because I think it may go ahead and take out this high, this daily high, and then this high, this news candle high. Yeah, I'm gonna go ahead and mark that too. That's a data high. Technically, it did take it out. This candle right here, 830. It did take the data high out. It did. Okay. Well. Oh yeah, I'm just trying to. If it tends to drop back down, I want to put 2 more. But we'll see. We shall see. Try to get in something early, because it seemed like lately, when price comes after 10 o'clock, it's like price just do some crazy crap. So I just tried to get in, the entry early. So I got in at the 850. Yeah, it's not trying to sell right now. So I'm gonna just probably wait till 950 macro. And see how it reacts off of that CE. That low is taken out for that. I think it is fast. Yeah, I'm overall bearish too, but I think it may no, I actually think I was bullish, looking at the daily time frame on TradingView. Yeah, looking at the daily time frame. yeah, the hammer right there. So I think it's, yeah, definitely going to reverse, and it is a 1 hour fair value gap and a daily fair value gap up there. But I really wanted to see how it reacts off the 50% of this 1 minute candle. If it would have kept going, I would have went ahead and got out, but it reacted off of it. But still can't be, too too sure. Good morning, Reese. Just trying to get in early. It's like price just been acting crazy after 10 o'clock. Well, after that 9:50 macro, time been acting crazy. So that's why I tried to get in at 8:50. I saw this SMT. It took out my buy side liquidity from Asian session, because Asian session basically ranged the whole time. It didn't take out the high low I was expecting. So they finally took it out this morning. So
Order filled.
my live's private. No, not for YouTube. When I stream on it throughout the day, yeah. But as far as my Discord, yeah, my Discord is private now, cause I'm finna lock in. I'm gonna be trading Asian session tonight. That is ugly. That was. You just need to keep pushing down. But yeah, my Discord is private now, but it's $25 a month though, cause I'm finna be in there consistently. Yeah. I want to, Catherine. Hold on, I'm not gonna do it too soon. After I know what I need, I already don't watch. Yeah, same thing with me. After I done watched the 2022 mentorship. Kids go about daily open, get very interesting. Yeah, I I want to. I do have. I found somebody that's doing the notes on him daily. I found somebody who's taking notes on his series. So I needed to fill in this whole PPI candle and take out the data low from that candle, and then I'll be satisfied. Good morning, Kashaya. Good morning. Oh, it didn't come up. Oh, it didn't? No, it's not private on YouTube. Yeah, my Discord is private now. My link is in the description. Okay, it's at the 50% of this news candle right now. You might want to tap into this one. I gotta see it. You might want to go up and tap into that real quick.
Order filled.
Of course you did. Of course. Seek and destroy seek and destroy vibes today, looking like. Cause I got in right here earlier, and it went right back up, and I just got in here, and it just seek and destroy vibes. Yeah, I might go for that daily high. I marked that after the fact because it took out my high from Asian session, and it created this high at 3:49 this morning. So I saw that after the fact. I wouldn't have got in if I would have saw that, because it's probably what it's trying to do, and then it'll probably do that initial drop. So yeah, it kind of hit the 50% of this candle. Dug a little deeper though. Dug a little deeper, and then took out this low, and then once again. Yeah, to take out that London high. I mean, did I put London high on here? Yeah, London high is down here. Now, let me go to Trading View, because I marked everything up on Trading View. Alright, let me take all this off. Oh, okay, yeah, that was a old London high on my Topstep chart. But yeah. Oh, yeah. See, I didn't mark. I marked everything on my Trading View chart. So yeah, that is London high. Yeah, if I would have dang it. Yeah, I marked my highs wrong on Topstep. I wouldn't have got in, because and it took out. It took out this right here was the buy side for Asian. Yeah, that was Asian buy side, and then it had this printed this SMT, and then it dropped. So yeah, it's definitely going to take out that high first look like. But yeah, I'm gonna wait till 950 macro. There's a oh yeah, I ain't even mark ES already took the London high. ES done took the London high, so yeah, I really wanted to go down there and take out those equal lows on a daily time frame on NAS. But it is it's an hourly fair value gap up here, and it's a daily fair value gap. It's hourly, and then it's a daily fair value gap up here too. This the daily fair value gap. So and on the daily time frame there's a hammer, so it's reversing right now. And it wicked before. Oh shoot, hold on. Yeah, this hammer right here in the daily time frame, so, and it's in actually a daily fair value gap right now. Hold on, let me take out this hourly. It's actually in a daily fair value gap right now. You know what? No, I'm gonna put the hourly back, because it's gonna be just too much confusion going on. I just want to see if it's at the 50% of this daily candle. Yep, it already tapped the 50% of this daily candle. That's where it had printed that London high at the 50% of this daily candle. So it done tapped in it already. Yeah, it's definitely trying to take out London highs for sure. Alright. I stand corrected. I need to relabel this on here for London high instead of the daily high. That's what messed me up. I don't know. That might be it for me because I don't have time for NAS today. And it's CPI tomorrow. CPI tomorrow, and then it's core retail sales and unemployment claims Thursday. Alright. This is the day that the Lord has made. Let us rejoice and be glad in it. I do want to see. I don't think. I'm gonna have to move these for now. Oh yeah, it took out the weekly low up. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna wait for 950 macro, 10 to 11 silver bullet ish time. I'm only trading on my Topstep account today because I had a horrible agent session for my funded futures account. I had a freaking internet connection problem, and that pretty much caused my account to really, everything was just froze. I couldn't close the trade. I couldn't do nothing. I'm so pissed off about that. And then by the time I got back, by the time it was refreshing everything, it just the trade got away from me. So I was in drawdown. I think I'm like $100 or something away from my freaking max loss. Nasty work, bro. But I did not know with my funded futures that you can, if you get a simulated funded account, that you can buy it. Like if you lose your funded account, you gotta pay $450 though, but you can buy your funded account instead of starting all over. I didn't know that. So yeah, NAS is bound to take out these London highs because ES did already, basically. Good morning, T Money. Good morning, everybody. Good morning. So basically, I'm waiting for it to take out this London high, and it might. I feel like it may push higher because it already done pulled back, like into the news candle already. So I feel like it's just gonna continue pushing up, pushing to this hourly fair value gap. We're already in a daily fair value gap right now, so I'm just seeing if I see either a continuation up to the upside to at least like this daily, the bottom of the daily, or the 50% would be like my take profits of the hourly fair value gap. But it has to like break it and like take another high and then like come back, leave a breakaway gap right here, and then it'll be like a gap right here, or a gap right here to continue up to the upside. That's basically what I'm looking for. But if it gives me any inclination that it wants to keep dropping, then I will get in sales. Like it could possibly do this, do right here, and then market structure shove, manipulates higher, and then well, this, hold on. it. Come on now. Manipulate higher. Boom, boom, boom. Because it seems like price likes to take out highs when they come up. Do this right here. Take out this high. And then come back down and do this. And then this will be like another fair value gap opportunity right here. And then you know what price be doing. So basically that's what I'm looking for buys or sells. Continuation up higher, or a market structure shift, you know, to the downside basically. Yeah, that one's for expert. You know what? I'm not sure if it's for expert or not, because I want to say it is. I'm not sure. Let's see what's going on. Okay. Oh, since it took out the London low, Philly. Yeah, man. I was just now I saw it when I had got up. I was just now getting up. That was nice. Yeah, and this is actually like my Asian session low, but it ended up being the London low too. So yeah, if you're in my Discord, you saw the levels that I wanted price to break. It did not break neither one of those levels at all. It basically been consolidating all doggone night. So we finally took out this low. Yeah, that was a perfect entry. Is my people in here? Is Philly in here? Philly, AK, Aki. That's what's up. To catch that on a news day, oh my god, that's lit. So yeah, now I'm just looking for price to take out this London high. I'm not getting in on nothing until it breaks this London high. I feel like it's bound to do it anyway because it already took it out for ES over here. So look at that action though. It did not want to close above there. But so far today, $33 down. I got in here, but it went back to my entry. Got in here, and it went back to my entry. So, seek and destroy vibe so far. Yeah. Because when it took out my Asian session buy side liquidity, then it formed this SMT. Then you know it was a gap right here, and then it printed a fair value gap there too. So. It's the day before. It's like it's two news events packed on top of each other. Or this can be like a SMT all around, but just have it here for now. Sometimes you don't need to mark an SMT every freaking where, but I just like to just be aware of it, even if it don't stick, if it don't work. So yeah, got 1 minute until the micro time. Paper pusher still here? Just saying something about. Did y'all get a notification about my live? Somebody said they didn't get a notification. Well, it was a tiny behind fair value gap right here. Yeah, okay. Oh, you didn't get a notification on YouTube? Oh, okay. I'm waiting for it to take out that London high, man. I don't want to get chopped up in this range, but I'm looking at price right now. I'm gonna go ahead and delete this buy side from Asian session because they already done took it out. So even though it was reacting off of it just now, but it's kind of irrelevant. Good morning, the trading guy. Good morning. Good morning. What y'all looking at? It's like my overall bias is bullish, but where's my trading view? Oh, I knew that. Yeah, my overall bias is bullish, but because it had wicked all the way down, it printed a hammer, so now it's really dipping into it. Already done dipped into the fair value gap, the 50% of the daily fair value gap, which is that London high basically, and then drop. So it's like I'm overall bearish because you have this wick down here, high time frame, internal sell side liquidity. You have this daily fair value gap down here, and these equal lows. So I feel like price, I'm really overall bearish like for the rest of the week, but it did dip into this daily fair value gap. This is an hourly fair value gap here that it may push into today, I guess, if it want to continue to buy. But it's like I'm overall bearish. Overall bearish, but if it do break this London high, then I'll be taking it basically to this hourly fair value gap. But I ain't trying to get caught up into this range because it already done freaking did all this here. It's consolidating already. That's why I tried to get in early, bro, because it's like soon as 10 o'clock hit and that 950 macro hit, it's like price just be doing some crazy crap, man. Lately, anyway. I've been doing some crazy crap lately, bro. And it's like, I ain't trying to, I'm not really trying to be a part of that because it could just really be so simple where you just take out a lower and a high, but you want to do all this crazy crap. Now it want to go in my favor. I was bearish, but it did all this crap, and then now it's going, is doing exactly where I wanted it to go. Because I got in on, hold on, and printed this guy right here. I got in earlier right here, and I wanted to take it down here, and then it do all of this crap, and then now it's going back, going down there. Boy, oh boy. Good morning, Michelle. Yeah, basically ranging. In fact, I was looking for your channel, looking for a channel that be live. Let me see. Yeah, I posted in the Discord, paper pusher. Yeah, man. Yeah. I didn't see. Yeah. Yep. Yep. I was looking at that. It took out that London high, but it ended up coming right back up here and inverting that first doggone. Well, technically, this was the first one at the 850 macro, and then it printed this one, which is where I sold off of, and then I sold off of it again, and it went right back to my entry. That's why I lost that 33 bucks, and then it's inverting it again. But at this point, I just needed to take out either this data low or this London high, because at this point, it's really ranging. I don't want to be caught in the middle of that crap. Good morning, Angelo. Good morning, people. What's going on? So a few people took some trades already. I'm gonna try to work on taking my profits today. I had 2 opportunities though. I was in 2 good trades, but it just went right back to my entry. I got in here, I was in profit, and I got in here, I was in profit where it took this low. I had 2 opportunities to take it right here when it took this low out, but I was super confident in it. So, but when it started to go up, I was like, here we go. And that's like where my psychology be acting up. That's why my psychology be acting up, because I be so, when I come to the charts, I'll be good. I'll be done prayed. I'll be done, did all of that, and it's like soon as the first trade I take, it be a good behind entry, and it just go right back to it. It's like my psychology all automatically be like, here we go, like going right back to my entry, going profit like 10-20 pips, and then seek and destroy. That's literally seek and destroy right there. That job be so frustrating. It be messing with my psychology when it does that. And then now it's going in my favor. Yeah, I know another opportunity will come, but it's just the fact that I want to just get in and get out. I try to get in early so I can be out early. You feel me? So it did all went back to the entry. I mean, yeah, I could have took profit here, but I was so confident because it was going down there quick. Yeah, I feel you, Michelle. New mindset. But it just sucks because I was in this sales, but it did all this crap here and then came back down. That's where I am. I have good entries, but it don't freaking, it stopped me out before doing that. That's so frustrating. It just want to make me not even want to take another trade because it's like that was the setup. This is the real with trading, bro. I was about to hit my take profit. price finna act up all freaking day for the rest of the day, and I'll do nothing. I'm not gonna lie, this just makes me wanna like just call it quits for the rest of the day and just be done for the day, because this was a setup right here. 71% bullish, 21% bearish, 7% neutral. Boom, shaka laka laka boom. Oh boy, that's a blow. I'm trying to like not think about it, but that job just pissed me off. Yeah, that just really just pissed me off. So it's like when you trade forex. Well, either way, that I would have got stopped out if I would have placed my stop loss at this high. But this Nash, you can't really say if you want this to be your take profit, you can't be using those big old stop losses like that. Yeah, but see, when I paper pusher, what I did was I took this fair value gap off because I thought it was gonna keep taking out that London high, but it ended up coming right back down and inverting it. Leave those stops alone. What you talking about? That music not too loud, y'all. Is my mic loud enough? Cause I don't understand. Like when I go back and watch my lives, it's like my everything was set like perfectly. I didn't have to touch nothing. And it's like last week when I streamed, it's like my mic was low and then my music was loud. So y'all let me know if my music is too loud or if my mic is too loud. You got stopped out. No, basically break even. That's why I lost that $33 at Reese. Because I got in right here, and it stopped me out. Then I got in right here, and it went back up again. I mean, it's like I'm not mad at $33. It's just the fact that my trade played out. This was my first entry. My stop loss was here. And I had my TP here. Then the first trade, I just got stopped out at break even, right? And then once it started to reject the 50%, it's at the beginning of the stream. So if you, after I'm finished with it, you'll be able to see exactly what I did. Oh wait, you'll be able to see what I did. And I was like, if it comes back up here and it goes through it, then I'm gonna go ahead and get out. So it ended up, I had my stop loss the same place, and then they ended up coming down, taking out this low right here. And then went, and then that was it. That's why I lost this $33 at right here when it was moving up here. And I was like, I'll just cut it. And then that's when it consolidated, blah, blah, blah. And then now it just inverted it. 1 or 2. I normally aim for a 1 to 2. But that was when like my stop losses was like 50. Yeah, my stop losses used to be like 50 ticks. So my 1 2 used to be like right here. Yeah, this would have been my normal trade. But I'm starting to put it on that second candle because it's like I'll be losing. Like say I was in this trade, I'll be losing more money. This is a perfect example though. I'll be losing more money if I would have had my stop loss like right here, 50 ticks, when I could have just cut it right here from this candle that created the gap. You know what I mean? So it's like either way I would have got stopped out, but I would have lost more money if I would have put my stop loss at 50 ticks. But I wasn't risking a lot. That was like 20, 23 ticks, 25, 20-ish ticks right there. So whenever you have that, it's like that. I've been doing good with that as far as how much I'm risking. Hey, Lap Trades, what's up? Yeah, 1 to 2. Yeah, 1 to 2 is a pretty good risk to reward. But it's like lately my trades has been hitting 1 to 1. And what I try to do when they get to 1 to 1, then I'll set it to break even. It's like I done got to the point to where I have something that works for me, but uh, I got my specific strategy. You know, it works, but it comes down to managing it. Like, you know, it worked out, but then okay, when you have it going back to your entry, then it's like, what do? You take partials. You gotta set it to break even, that type stuff. So I have finally found, you know, an entry. Well, in this last year, I mean, not the entry, a strategy that works for me. So it's like now it's about managing risk, setting the break even, taking partials when it gets to this and that. It's like that's what's important too, because it's like when you my psychology already. One thing I love about myself, like I realized, like once it started going bad, I realized okay, like my psychology like was like okay, here we go, we're going back to the entry. It's not working out. It's going right back to my entry. So it's like my psychology is like, here we go. Yeah, take whatever you can. Know how to go. Yeah, yeah. But I was more focused about not really risking a lot. So I think I did pretty good with my risk by not letting it go get away from me, because it could have easily, if I would have held it, it could have easily went against me and just kept going and taking out this London high, blah blah blah. Which in this case, if I would have held it, it would have went back in my favor. But what it's about coming to the charts and trying to have good habits, because because it's like instead of coming to the charts worrying about how much money you make, it's like is psychology. Your psychology is gonna be jacked up. But if you come to the charts really trying to really have good habits and not worrying about how much you make, all of that is gonna come with it. That's what I'm focused on now. Is focused on my habits, because that's what's gonna pay me consistently. Because you can make freaking $2,000-3,000 today, but then tomorrow you'll blow it all. You know what I'm saying? So it's like you know you can make the money, but it's all about having the good habits when you in those positions, when you up $3,000 and you're able to come back to the charts and just be like, you know what, I'm gonna be disciplined today. I'm gonna set it to break even. You know, like those are the things that's gonna really take your trader to the next level. And now that I'm at another level, I'm realizing that now, because I done made some money, but it's about maintaining your money. That's the key in this trading game that you really have to learn, maintaining your money and not making stupid decisions like when you're in the charts and stuff. That's the level where I'm at. I know the money's there. I know I can make the money, but it's about having good habits and not worrying about, okay, I'm trying to make $1,000 today. I'm trying to make this much today. But if you really come to the chart and be like, bro, I'm just trying to really be disciplined. I'm just going, when it get to this level, I'm taking it and that's it, and be done, instead of just making stupid decisions and then going on the tilt because you're like, dang, I wanted to make 1,000, but I only got $50 today. So it's really levels to this trading game, bro. Like for real, it's levels to it, because you're gonna go through that level to where you're trying to find a strategy, you're trying to find something that works for you, works for your personality, and then you're gonna have that season to where okay, you risking too much, you over risking on your trades, and you still trying to find your strategy. So boom, you don't have a strategy yet. Boom, you over risking. So you're gonna go through those two phases, And then once you actually find a strategy that works, then it's not over. You're not gonna start making money consistently. You gotta make sure, like, when you come to these charts, like, you have to have all those things, together on top of just being a good disciplined trader. So it's all in here, bro. You are your worst enemy. It's you versus you, like we be saying, like somebody said in my Discord. It's you versus you, bro, because you can do it. Like, trading is not. It's like trading hard, but when it comes down to the mental game, is really yourself in the way of yourself. It really is. So when you see so many people making money, they make $1,000 a day. They done went through everything. They done, went through all of these levels of trading. And some people that's really consistent and really profitable, they still sometimes, we human. We gonna still be emotional when we come to the charts. We still gonna make mistakes, but it's about winning more than you lose too. You still gonna lose, but how many times you losing is the key. You went through that, Angela. You get specific. Yeah, man. You try to get a specific setup. You trying to follow. Yeah, I'll try to follow through. But hey, my risk was managed. I only lost $33, so I mean I'm good. But it just put me in a headspace of like, man, like the move already really been made. It still didn't take out the data lows, but that's what be happening. This could be an SMT right here, but it really didn't come back. It displaced and took out this high. But it didn't come back and can use this fair value gap, but it's really supposed to be this one. But thank y'all for pulling up. Good morning, good morning. It's PPI today. PPI today, CPI tomorrow, and so we have news for the next 3 days, y'all. Just be careful. Use proper risk management. Yeah, it didn't come back down and tap into this. Is this considered? I don't trade order blocks. Anybody who trade order blocks, is this considered a bullish order block right here? Anybody who trade order blocks, is this considered a bullish order block? I just learned about breakers, and I'm not sure. Y'all correct me if it's not, because I just learned it. Is this considered a breaker right here? This could have been a buy entry right here. Look like, see, little stuff like that. It's like I don't really learn all that stuff, but it's good to know. They call them PD arrays or ICT concepts, I believe. So this is considered a bullish order block. I think I do have it on my list. I just don't really know. So it's like I still have some stuff that I can like improve on with my trading. Like, yeah, I still have some things that I can really improve on. But I want to say this right here, this candle was an actual breaker though. I want to say, but I'm not sure. I still have to study. Yeah. Okay. Okay, cool. First I only did breakouts and I switched to the breakout and retest and added Hakaneji candles. Yeah, I used to trade Hakaneji candles. Sometimes it's good to kind of see the trend with the Hakaneji candles. But I think this would have been the entry right here. I want to say this is a breaker. I'm not sure. I'm still learning about them, y'all. But that's what I'm saying. It's like I have my strategy, but it's like it's little stuff like this that you could have got in on right here, you know. Oh, that was disrespectful. I'm not getting no. It got to take out a high or low. I'm not about to get caught in that. Breaker brawl. Okay, Deanta. Only be lower than a breaker in the matrix. And bullish. Can only be lower than a breaker. Oh, okay. Yeah, I'm still learning about all of this like stuff here. I know I just learned about a breaker. I just try to, cause for me, I know I'm the type of person. If I know too much, it's just gonna be too much information. And ICT said that too, though. Like he was like, the silver bullet can really be enough, but if you learn all of the strategies, you're just gonna be like doing too much. That's why I only trade the silver bullet between 10 and 11. This could be the silver bullet right here, but it's like I needed to take out this high, bro. It could be perfect if it can hit this gap and then take out the data low, but the way price been moving, it's been seeking and destroying, man. And I'm really tempted to get in a sell stop right here, but I just don't trust it. I rather be too careful than freaking just be careless and take stupid losses for no reason. Why I don't trade them? Cause I really don't know too much about them. You trade gold? I used to. I used to trade gold, but it's like when I stopped trading it, it just had like the price action. I just couldn't get it. Gold just was doing too much. The price action just was trash on a span of like 2 or 3 weeks. I'm like, you know what? I'm not trading gold no more. For me, gold is more like a forex thing where you can kind of trade it like forex. But as far as like coming to the charts in the morning, and I mean, I don't know. Some people do trade gold for futures, but I just, ooh, that was a mean fake out right there, boy. That was a mean fake out. Boy, I feel sorry who got in there on that, bro. That was so nasty. No. What you saying no to, Catherine? Did I ask a question or something? That's support before you go short. Oh, there's a 5-minute OB where price is now. Oh, right here in it. Well, you say 5 minutes. Yeah, I don't know. Yeah, I'm still studying order blocks. I gotta study order blocks, breakers. I think it's something called breaker blocks too. It's just little stuff that I feel like it would help when it's not always a fair value gap there. It could be bouncing off of an order block or something like that. So, because I definitely could have got in off of this one, I think. But there is a gap down here still. But I just needed to take out that London high. I just need to take out a high or low because I don't want to get caught in the range. I done done that, man. Sometimes I still find myself doing that though, doing stupid stuff because sometimes price will give a nice setup when it's a high right there that it can take out, and it won't take it out. It'll print an SMT and it'll just drop and do what you want it to do. But oh, he mean when the price started going bullish on a 5-minute. Oh, okay. Gotcha. This counter right here. Yes, that's what I'm saying. It's like when I learned about order blocks before, I learned about order blocks actually in this girl called this girl named Mercy Trades. Mercy. But she was when she was explaining it, it was like this candle right here be an order block, so you'll wait for it to come down here. But it's like it'll be the candle before the takeoff or something like that. But it'll be when I learned about it, I'm like, that's just simple support and resistance. So it's like it was those type of order blocks and then ICT order blocks in the middle of like a trend or something, and then it'll come back down and do that. So it's like it just was. I just got confused, but I'm still learning about them. Yeah, yeah. Mhm. And I just learned about order blocks in 2 different ways, so I just was like, oh, okay, whatever. I'll just stick to my fair value gaps. Sometimes it'll be the best entries though. I'm not gonna lie. After like it when price don't have the notion to go back into a fair value gap for my setup. Sometimes when they just go off, it's like, dang, boy. You just hit an 8R off the reversal. Okay. Yeah, Angelo, the learning never really stops. It really don't. It really don't. It never stops though. For real, for real. The learning never stops. You're not finna catch me on that sale. Nope. That's what I been talking about right there. Like it'll have SMT and then have a sell opportunity. But this was a good one right here when they inverted it. But you just gotta pick your poison. You gotta pick your poison with these trades, bro. It's like the trade can play out, so you just gotta put the risk. You just gotta have good risk management. Oh yeah, the OB paired with the overlapping fair value gap. Okay, okay. Yeah, I'm gonna get into learning more about that. It's just the type of thing with me. I just found something that works for me, and then I just look for that same thing every time. Yeah, I do. I use Notion. I have a video on that actually. Price gotta take that high or that low. I'm not taking a trade until they take out that London high or that data low. I'm not about to get caught in that range, y'all. I'm sorry, I can't. You gotta be strict with with NAS, bro. You have to be. Cause NAS will eat you up. NAS will eat you alive. Mm-hmm. Uh-oh. This will be a tester. I want to see how it reacts off that OB. Reese, no. Thank you for that. Thank you for that. I'm gonna go ahead and do my other trade too because I got it in here. That one's break even, and then the next one. It takes so long, man. I wish I could just do a freaking command key and just do a screenshot and be done with it. But I gotta do all this extra crap, man. If anybody can tell me a better, a quicker way I can take screenshots, please tell me. Please let me know. Because this right here is so... Look, I gotta do all of this, bro. And my computer wanna act slow. Appreciate it, Reese. I be forgetting, man. I'm not getting in until it take that London high or that dead low, y'all. That's what I'm waiting on. Hold on, y'all. I'll be right back. Hold on, y'all. Alright, sorry guys. Sheesh. Alright. Alrighty then. Sorry about that, guys. Y'all heard about TradeZella. I'm thinking about doing that as well, because they can get track of everything. But I just like do my cheap options. I'd rather not pay for one, but I do like the way that they have everything organized. Alright, so I just reacted off of that bullish OB. We're gonna see. We're gonna see if this gonna hold. He sure disrespected that, ain't it? I want to see how it reacts off of this though, because this is actually my setup. So it's kind of why I really don't. Oh, that's not an OB. Oh, I thought y'all said it was an OB. Yeah, that's why I said I don't. I'm still learning about order blocks. I thought somebody said it was an order block when I named. Somebody said yeah. Yeah, I'm still learning about order blocks and breakers and whatnot. Yeah, I gotta study on order blocks. I have to study those. Yep, I just do my SMT, fair value gap, microstructure shift, manipulation setups. That's it. It is not really. Almost 4 down, goes down. It just making me mad all over again. Because I was originally in for sales and it just did this. Went right back up there again. That's all I need. You have to study them. But what I don't want to happen, I don't want it to be just an over freaking saturated OBs everywhere and I'm confused. I'm trading Asian session tonight. Tonight, 6:45 p.m. on my Discord. My Discord is paid now. Cause I'm gonna be locking in I'm gonna be locking in on in my Discord. What in the world? Man, ooh. Sorry, y'all. It's like every time I look at it when it's about to drop, it's just like, man, that's my freaking trade. I did have opportunity to get back in, but at this point, I just need to take out a high or a low because it's in this range, and I don't have time for Nas. Nas be doing all type of crazy stuff, man. I don't have time. Excuse me. Oh, I can't stand on the freaking trade play out, but it is what it is. Yeah, this is the Discord here. Be getting it in. I'm gonna be live tonight at 6:45 Asian session. Yeah. So I have my Bible chat. I love this chat here. We have our scriptures going on. You know. Yeah. I'm trying to think. It's like I wanna look at the charts. I might just do a study session instead of trading live. But if I see something, I may take a trade. But I'm starting to like Asian session a little more than New York session lately because it is. Because it is crap. Thank you, Shaniqua. Ooh, that's crazy. I used to have a friend in elementary school named Shaniqua. Wow, I haven't seen that name in so long. It's been years. I was in elementary school. That's $25 a month. I had it free for like the first 2 weeks of this month. Try to get everybody in there that have been rocking with me since, because I just started streaming last month in December. Yeah, I just started streaming last month, so I wanted to get everybody in there that like started with me and everything to get in there for free. Because it's 2025, we finna lock in. Okay, Michelle, cool. No, we finna lock in Discord, bro. We going. It's just about a community, you know. Just having value, giving value to each other, helping each other out. Just having. It's good to have a community of traders that's, you know, like minded. But this is like really pissing me off. I need my chapstick. I can't find my chapstick. I think it's in my bag. That's my trade. That's my trade. That was my trade, y'all. Now take out the data low. Take out the low of the news candle. And it has officially been tapped. Good God Almighty. Well, all right. What do we have here? What is this gap? I forgot what this gap was. Oh, that's an old 1 hour forever. Oh yeah, the price action yesterday was all this crap here. Talk about. Yeah. That was my freaking trade. How many ticks was that? Just curious. Off my original TP. 119. Alright, so it took out the data low. It did not take this low from 825, which is the low of the day. It didn't take out this low, but it went right back into that range. Yeah, that 1 hour candle, yeah, that was crazy. It did the same thing yesterday though, because I was in it still didn't take out the London low from yesterday. Then it bust through it and it came right back down. Tapped into that and then boom. But we're heading to a 1050 macro, people. Hit that support you were talking about. Yeah, that data low. That data low, that low from the news candle. Alright. So see how this candle closes. See if it leaves a gap that I can possibly get in for a buy entry. But I'm still being aware of sales though. I'm still like, you know, being watchful in case price want to do something crazy. Anybody take 30 30-second trades in here? Or 15-second? I try to stay on the 1 minute, but yeah, I don't try. It just be too many small candles. Sometimes you can find some good entries on those time frames, but it really depends. Alright, people, we have a gap here. Yeah, you're right, Angelo. We're not without high time frame narrative. Oh, okay. Cool. 30-second order flow. Interesting. Boy, it should take 30-second inverted February. That's a correction. Nice. If price does come back down, I'm looking for, this is what I'm looking for. My stop loss would literally be right there to take it back up to take out the London highs. That's if price pulls back though. That's how short my stop loss is at this candle, the low of this candle. That's if it pulled back. I would take 5 contracts on that right there. 5 contracts with a 16-point stop loss. I'm only risking 150. What I said? I said 15, right? 16. I'm just gonna round it up to 17. I'll only be risking $170 to make 153. Dang, I can't even make that much. That's 1500. Wait, am I on micros? Yeah, that's 1500. I'm gonna take that risk, y'all. I'm only risking 170, so I might as well. Dang it, no, it need to be right here. My stop loss is 170. I still won't be losing a lot.
Order filled.
But this is my setup. If it goes against me, I've accepted my loss. It's only 172, so I'm glad that my risk is low. So it'll go ahead and stop me out if it don't work out. SMT right here. It can either be this one or this one. I just use this low right here. If it stops me out, I've accepted it. I'm only risking 172, so. But this is my setup. SMT. It took out the low. This is my setup. So I gotta stick to my setup, guys. It's my setup. Learn to live with the loss. I'm only risking 16.75. I can't even make this much. Can't make that much with Topstep. None of the 3 pairs took that low though, or am I tripping? Yeah, you tripping. I'm doing it from this data low though. That candle, the news candle. I'm not talking about this low right here. You talking about this low from 827. I didn't wait for that low. I was waiting for the data low from that news candle to be taken. News candle low tabs. Okay. Yeah, I gotta type stop loss on this because I'm not playing with NAS today. If it take me out, it just take me out. My risk is very low. It is a fair value gap right here too. But this is my setup, so I got to stick with my setup. Win or loss, win, lose, or draw. It hit those up. What's kind of
Order filled.
all right. Well, short stop loss. tight stop loss, so I'm satisfied with that loss. That was my setup though. It took this data low candle, took this low from the S&T. It just didn't work out. Now this right here is the data low right here. I mean, not data low, the daily low, the low of the day. But I waited for this data low to be taken though. Let's see, is there a 30-second? Nope. Nope. Alright, well, that's it for me, y'all. I already took a L. Well, even though it was only 33 bucks, I took a L already. I'm not playing with NAS today. S&T about to be invalid. Yep, NAS did what it wanted to do today. I was actually I was bullish. Because of the daily time frame. It was a inverted hammer, and then it pushed up into that daily fair value gap, but it pushed into that daily fair value gap and it rejected off of it. So yep, it is what it is. I took the trades that I wanted to take. I'm satisfied with my loss. I didn't lose a lot. I'm still in okay, yeah, I'm still up on my account anyway. So this is trading. This is why I said I'm not ready for a live account yet. I know I'm a good trader, but it's like, thank you, Angelo. Appreciate that. That means a lot. You in shorts to that low. I don't trust this pair. Yeah. But yeah, I'm satisfied with my loss. I'm actually feeling pretty good, actually, because I use proper risk management as part of having good habits. Having good habits. That's part of the good habits I was talking about earlier. Instead of coming to the charts trying to make money, just come to the charts. Exercising good habits. Having great risk management. Cutting losers short. I had a very short. Oh, I need to journal that one. Hold on, y'all. I need to. It was right here off of this gap. I need to screenshot this, guys. Hold on a second. From my journal. But hey, I'm glad. I'd rather get stopped out right away than sitting here waiting all freaking day and it just consolidating all doggone day. I'd rather they do that. Y'all know how price get. Price be consolidating all day. Okay, where is it at? Yeah, I need to if you have not gotten a if you have not gotten a like office setup with a computer, do not get a Dell. I beg of you. Do not get a Dell computer. Do not. Because it will crash. It will crash. It will act up. This is my second brain that I had to get. My screens be cutting off. It be doing what I want to do. So yeah, Dell screen. I have Dell screens and a Dell Optiplex. I forgot the numbers on it, but do not, y'all, do not get a Dell. If you trade on your phone or you trying to invest into a computer, do not get a Dell. I'm telling you, do not get a Dell because you will regret it. It's trash. It doesn't matter which one you get. It's gonna act up. And I don't even have the first one. Okay, I say it's kind of my fault. Matter of fact, no, that's my third one. My first one, my very first one, I would say, no, my first one and my second one, I was running it on. I just kept it on because I had stuff charging from it, like, you know, little gadgets like my Apple Watch and stuff like that. Like I had my gadgets on it, so I kept it on. And I caught myself trying to copy trade. Not copy trade. it was something that you basically leave on for the trays to play out or something like that. So I was trying to use that. That didn't last long, but yeah. But this one uh I don't do that and it's still acting up. So it doesn't matter what you do, it's gonna act up. So just for one of y'all, do not get a Dell Optiplex. But oh, it just took the daily low. It just took the low of the day. But just look at this consolidation though. Like just look like you will have to really had to have catch a sell off of either one of these to get a trade today. And after I lost those, well, I broke even the first one, and the second one I lost $33. After I, got burnt on those two, I was like, nah, I'm not gonna take. I didn't take this one. I could have, but it didn't. I was really waiting for it to take that London high first, and then but it never did. So, and I just didn't want to catch, getting this range. I felt like if I would have gotten a sell, then it would have probably did something crazy. So that's why I didn't take this one. Now, if I waited until like the 10 to 11 silver bullet, then this would have been the sell right here. This would have been the entry that I would have taken. Because this was literally the silver bullet for the 10 to 11. This was the silver bullet right here. But like the fair value gap was from freaking 851 macro. So yeah, I mean it was an opportunity to get in, but like I said, these two trades seeked and destroyed my entries. So I already got caught up in that, so I didn't want to get another sale and then get burnt again. So yeah, that's basically the storyline for today. Yeah. But I will be trading Asian session tonight. You love HP? Yes. I might go ahead and get an HP instead of a Dell because Dell is trash. But oh my god, what's going on with my I don't know what's going on with my picture, y'all. Hold on a second. It's been acting up lately, y'all. I'm sorry. I don't know what's going on with it. I'm trying to refresh it, but yeah, hopefully tabs. Hopefully it does tomorrow. And then there's 10:30 news tomorrow. Well, I think it's medium impact actually. Okay, y'all. Sorry, I'm not gonna see me because I'm not sure what's going on with my screen. But as long as you guys can hear me, that's what's important. So yeah, tomorrow CPI 8:30, and then medium impact news at 10:30. Yeah, and then we have this right here, and then Friday. I kind of want to sneak peek at next week. I have to look this up. It's my first time seeing this. WEF annual meetings. So we have news Thursday, and then Friday. I don't know. I have to look that up. But yeah, guys, this is basically it for me for today. I will be trading Asian session tonight. So if you want to get in the Discord, the link is in my bio, and the link is in my chat as well. If you want to hop in the Discord, I'm going to really be locking in in the Discord and doing some Asian session trading, because I know a lot of people be asking about Asian session, and you can really catch some good setups for Asian session. I'm not gonna lie. On the 20th, ooh, that's on Monday. I can't wait, bro. When Trump was president last time, like the markets was like, it was some good setups. I'm not even gonna lie. It was some good volume for when Trump being presidency. I don't know what it is, but yeah, for sure. I'm telling you, like the price action should be a whole lot better than what it is now when he becomes president. So I'm definitely looking for some better price action when he get inaugurated and everything next week. Oh yeah, that's right. MLK. Yeah. There's just so much going on. There's so much going on. But thank you guys so very much. I love you all. Thank you for always pulling up to my live streams. I really do appreciate it. Um, but yeah, if you want to be in the Discord, the link is in the chat, and I'm gonna be locking in my Discord. And what else? Seems like I had something else I want to say. Yeah, tabs. Yeah, yeah. You know about that financial markets and all of that. But I'm telling you, like it would be some of the best price action when Trump is president in 2016. What was it? 2016. So when Biden made president, what is 2025, 24? Yeah, 2020. Yeah. So yeah, when he was president, it was yeah. Thank you, Angelo. Appreciate y'all. Yeah. So I'll be in the Discord trading agent session tonight. Hopefully we find some better price action. But it actually was some moves, like I said. It was some good moves, but I just was really wanting that London high to be taken. But it decided to take the low instead, so it is what it is. It might go ahead and tap into this hourly fair value gap from yesterday, look like. And it's probably gonna come right back into this consolidation right here. This right here was yesterday's London low. So I want to look at the daily real quick. Yeah, look at these equal lows down here. This is where I really want to take it. I really wanted to take out these equal lows down here, and it's some higher time frame sell side liquidity, internal sell side liquidity with this wick, and it's lining up with yesterday's London low. So that's probably the liquidity for today. I'm not sure if it's gonna get all the way down there, but yeah, Catherine, he's definitely a businessman. Yep. Yeah, next week's gonna be volatile for sure. When MLK and with President Trump being inaugurated, yeah, it's gonna be a lot of volume. So we need to really be careful in the market next week. But yeah, I don't know, man. With all this volume going on, it may just come down and tank through all of these lows, man. Let me go to trading view because that's where I have my markings at. The equal lows, and the rest is history. It just was one big old wedge. It just was a wedge from here. I mean, just think if you would have got in up here. Ooh wee. That's what I'm gonna do. I wanna get a forex account, and then like put like I don't know $1,000 and hold like a 0.05 or something like that, and just get in a good behind entry. Like say something like this off this daily fair value gap when it just tapped into this daily fair value gap and dropped. That would be a nice hold, man, on those type of trades. But it got to be like a swing approach, not like just getting in like what I'm doing now, and getting in and getting out. That's what I really want to do in like the near future when it comes to that. So but yeah, I think this is the overall draw right here. I want to preview that low today, but I had to calm myself down. Let me see. Ooh, you own to something, Tabs. I'm not gonna lie. Yeah, I did mark this previous daily low down here, but it's already on my Ooh, you know what? That's FOMO. That is FOMO for you. That's just straight FOMO. Oh man, I think it's gonna take out those lows, man. This previous daily low. And I wasn't on trading view, but it ended up coming up into this end dog. The new day opened a gap up today, and then coming down on a 3-minute. If you use that in new day open a gap as like a gap from 6 p.m. open right here. Ain't it, bro? I'm blown, man. I'm not even gonna lie, because my target was these data lows from this news candle, and it just tanked through it. Got me out the market and just tanked, man. Just look at it, man. And we in the 1050 macro. Look at this. Look at this. Perfect entry right there. And inverted this gap. But that was actually, yup, after it took out the daily low, and went right back into that gap. Dang, bro, I missed that one. That's what I get for being on Topstep. I should have was on TradingView. That's where all the juicy stuff is. Same interest, yeah. Oh my gosh, that's just so disrespectful. That's so disrespectful. I'm sorry, y'all can't see me, but I don't know, my camera acting up. No, let me try to refresh it one last time. Okay, let me see if it's gonna work. Yeah, that thing ain't working. I don't know what's going on with it. Let me see now. Let me see. We are in the we got 5 more minutes. Could be a continuation trade. I don't know. Let me see. Yeah. Man, I missed that sell entry. I should have been on TradingView. I might take a sell off this gap, y'all. And it tapped it already. So that's 3 contracts, risking 30 ticks.
Order filled.
Okay, that's 180. Okay, so yeah, my stop loss would be the high of this candle right here. And this that hourly gap from yesterday. But I gotta mark that previous daily low. 692.75. Thank you. You too. You too, Tabs. Thank you. Hold on. I gotta go to the 5 minutes so I can get it. Okay, Angelo. To the 15. I gotta mark this previous daily low. Okay. Hold on, y'all. I'm gonna get it together in a minute. Hold on a second. Okay, so this yesterday's London low is actually a previous daily low. Wait a minute. I'm in buys?
Order filled.
What in the world? What? I was in buys, y'all. I hit the wrong freaking button. It would want to reverse when I try to get in though. That's what price does. Price be doing crazy stuff like that. As soon as I try to get in sales, I should have held to buy. Did y'all see that, man? I got in sales. I was trying to get in sales here. I had pressed the buy button. It looks like it's actually playing out. That is crazy. So my screen coming up? Alright, y'all. I'm finna hop on off of here, bro. Because it's everything is acting up. Alright, thank y'all so much for tuning in. If you're in the Discord, I'll see you guys tonight for Asian session. God bless you all. Thank you for tuning in. And I'll see y'all. I will be streaming tomorrow as well. So I'll see you all tomorrow at 9:15. Peace.